let's make some chocolate chip cookies. Everybody loves chocolate chip cookies, so keep watching and you can find out how to make these yourself. Here's the ingredients you're going to need for today. A cup of butter, 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon, a little extra of vanilla, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. First thing we're going to do is get 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup of butter, and we're going to melt it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And that way it's solid. And then we're going to mix it up. Then we're going to add brown sugar. We're going to add white sugar. Mix it up. My neighbor brought me all the way from Mexico. I like to use a little extra. See how that overflowed? That's exactly what I wanted to do. We're going to mix it up. Ooh, it smells so good! Now I've got some farm fresh eggs. We're going to add those. Here's 1. Here comes 2. And let's add our salt and our baking soda. There we go. Now it's going to get really thick. The last ingredient is everybody's favorite, chocolate chips. Okay, everything's mixed up nicely now, so we're going to put it in rounded teaspoons onto the pan. I like about this much, kind of a medium-sized cookie. Okay, so our oven is preheated to 375 degrees, so now we're going to put these in for about 9 minutes. Never set a timer because I believe you should stay in the kitchen and smell to see when it's ready. When you set a timer, sometimes it'll burn up, so don't rely on a timer. Rely on your sense of smell, or you can take a peek in the oven to see when they're ready.